is a variety of cassava. Look at the leaf. Yeah, it's different. Hindi ko malikot din na. Yung mga maninya, kurubo na mo pa? May unod, meron na bang ba? Hindi tayo na inamang mo din. Look at the rice field, guys. So, look at this one. Wow. With my brother. So, yan guys. The cornfield. Yeah. Cornfield. We have a glutinous here. So it's an upland, guys. So there's no water needed. But of course, we need the rain. Wow. So over there. So look at the rice field. Oh my. I like it. Look at the view, guys, over there. Yeah. The corn. Oh my God. You know, guys, I'm already tired of walking. Oh my God. Oof. And that one is cassava. So, cassava. Grabe yun. Napagod ako. And here it is. The bell peppers. Look at that. I think this is 15 days old since the transplant. So my father is very hard working. He's the one who taking care of it. Look at that, guys. And over there. So that one is cornfield. My brother who's taking care of the cornfield. So that's his crop. So I hope you're gonna like this video. So when I was a kid, this is my favorite place until now. And there's a bamboo and a coconut tree. Oh my God, I'm already tired of walking.